Hey friends, welcome to the channel. On this channel, you're gonna find resources for you to make your Squarespace website more profitable. Whether you are a designer, which we have a ton of resources for designers, or you're a DIYer just building your own Squarespace store, freelance site, portfolio, photography website, whatever it is, we have a load of resources for you. First and foremost, we have our website that has a load of starter kits. So if you're thinking about blogging or SEO or setting up your photography portfolio the right way, there are things that I wish I had when I started 7-8 years ago. Before I built 150 websites, before I touched over 1,000 websites, before I started speaking at Squarespace or doing events with Squarespace, I write a ton of content for Squarespace as well. Before doing all of that, these are the resources I wish I had. We have our starter kits, we have the tutorials on this YouTube channel, we also have guides on our website that are breakdowns, step-by-step breakdowns that help you take action on almost anything with your website. We also have a starting template, which is one of my favorites, so you should definitely check that out. And if you're a designer, this is the most important one. If you are a designer, we have a community. This is what I know, and I repeat this over and over and over again. You could check out all the best resources on the internet, get access to you could read every article, watch every video, but the best way to grow isn't with content, but with community. Content is an aspect of it, but community is what really is like the dirt to help a plant thrive and flourish. And you have the ability to flourish, so this channel and everything we do here helps you get connected to a powerful, amazing community where people are landing their first projects, launching their portfolio, doubling their rate, and more. So get excited, there's a lot to come. And with that, just check out more videos down below. We probably have a few things that are super helpful for you to launch today to help you get actionable steps to grow your business.